To mark this auspicious beginning, may I invite our chief guest and event host to the dais for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. Kalaimamani Thiru Trotsky Marudu, Thiru Indran Rajendran, Sri Satish Kumar Dogra, Dr. C. Samuel Deva Prasad, Dr. A.V. Srinivasan, Kalaimamani Dr. Prakash M. Swami, Thiru Brinda Sarathi,